search for virtual network gateway. Virtual network gateway. I'm going to create one virtual network gateway here. Right, so it's connect on-premises networks to Azure. So here I'm going to select the subscription, and then I'm going to select, let's say, VNet 1, and then the region is, remember, East US 2, because otherwise East US, because otherwise we'll not be able to associate. And I'm going to configure VPN, a router base, and SKU. We can select the basic one. That's fine. And then generation and the virtual network would be VNet 1. Okay, so this is the virtual network gateway that we associate with VNet 1. Okay, that's it. And then you can configure the public IP address, and we are creating one. So this one is VNet 1 gateway. I'm going to create one, right? So this is done. So this is the first virtual network gateway that we create. All right. So the second virtual network gateway, so that is, that's okay to, have multiple virtual networks in multiple locations or multiple regions or same region. We can still create one. So again, I need to create another virtual network gateway, right? So second virtual network gateway is for, let's say, VNet 2. VNet 2. I'm going to create again same thing. I'm going to select the basic one because it's cheaper. And then I'm going to select, I need to select Australia East. I have SIEM VNet, right? Remember, SIEM VNet. I'm going to select this one. And then a public IP address, let's say demo, right? And then I can create this one. So we created two virtual network gateways, and then we associated with respective virtual networks. So once this is completed, now we have one virtual network with associated virtual network gateway, another virtual network associated to virtual network gateway. Now what we can do is there is another component called connections. So I'm going to go in there. I'm going to create connections. Now this one, it doesn't matter you use different region. That is okay. I'm going to select this one here. And then the resource group, I'm going to select AC500, connection type VNet to VNet. Remember, VNet to VNet. Also, we can use site-to-site VPN. I'm going to use VNet to VNet. And then I'm going to say VNet 1 to VNet 2. Okay. Then I'm going to go to settings. Now we need to select virtual network gateway. So these are still being created. So that's the reason I will not see these two. So both are deployed. And also what I want to show you is this one. So now I connect the first virtual network gateway, the second virtual network gateway. You would see it's grayed out because it's being created. And then I need to specify the shared key. This is the key. It will be used to encrypt the communication. It will be encrypting the communication. By doing so, we can connect these two. Again, I would like to highlight, whenever you connect these two networks together, whatever the devices connected to two networks, even though regions are different, can start communicating with each other, same way that you have in a VPN network. So in a VPN network, you can, between two sites, we can communicate, right? So that can be done. So, but I would like to highlight here another important thing, which is now if you use this one, we are encrypting the traffic. That is good thing in terms of security. But the bad thing is we had to use 3 additional components: virtual network gateways and 1 connection. All 3 is payable. Okay, because of that, it can be costlier, right? But it is safer because it's encrypting the traffic.